Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. This live is to tell about my special discount offer for my upcoming GenAI webinar, which I'm going to host tomorrow, Saturday, August 16th. Okay, so let me first share my screen so that you can see what I'm referring to, right? So I shared my screen, so you are able to see this screen, right? So this screen is about my Gen AI webinar. It is useful to learn RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, MCP, Model Context Protocol, Line Graph Library, and AI agents. How to create AI agents, especially in agentic AI using that kind of multiple agents, that kind of stuff. Okay, I plan to do my best to explain all these things within 3 hours. Okay. Suppose if you want more specific details, personally, if you want to learn something, you can contact me for one-on-one coaching also. Okay. Here I provided that one-on-one coaching. Okay. So I would suggest registering for this webinar. That is very useful for you because for 3 hours you will be getting interactive live discussion, right? Apart from that, you will be getting access to my recorded course also. You will be getting free access to my recorded course. So that course has like around 8 hours of recorded tutorial videos and 9 AI related ebooks. A lot of information there in that self-packed course. There you can get like a lot of information to learn AI, which is useful for your business improvement as well as for your career growth. So, my suggestion is if you are interested to attend the webinar, just to do it as soon as possible and get the access to free course. Go through that, and while attending the webinar, you'll be having some basic understanding, and you can efficiently or effectively ask some questions to understand it in a better way. Okay, that is what my plan. Okay, I will be doing these kinds of webinars in the coming days also. If you are not able to join this particular webinar, okay. Here I already announced the discount. Already I set very low fees, just 500 rupees in India, $25 globally, and further discount here announced. I here discount offer. If you share it on any social media, you can get discount, right? Just 100 rupees and $5, but that offer over. That is for 13th and 14th. Anyway, if you are interested, maybe I can extend it today also for limited people. Okay, so if you are doing it too quickly, you can register for 100 rupees or $5 and get the access to my recorded course and live joining permission to join this live webinar also. Okay. There I will be talking about the RAG, MCP, line graph agents, and already I created a lot of tutorial videos. Apart from that, in that live sessions, I am talking a lot of things. Recently, I explained about various prompt techniques. Just you can go through that. Even I talked about RAG also to one particular batch. So that I'm live broadcasting through this YouTube channel. That things you can watch through live, but because of the complexities in broadcasting that. Google Meet, the audio is not that much good. You have to increase the volume in your machine. Okay, here you can see that. Okay. Okay, this particular live is to tell about this offer, discount offer for this webinar. Okay, and that means just to, if you are in India, just to pay 100 rupees now and join that webinar, get the access to my recorded course. It's a very effective thing. But as I said, all these things, I'm just to spread about this news. Once after actually I started running Google Ads. I'm just optimizing it. If everything is going fine, I'll be increasing the price up to this original price, right? 4,500 rupees. Okay. That is what my plan. I can just run the advertisements and make the registrations. It will be going smoothly, right? But just to get the feedback from the users, just to as an initial offer, okay, you can take it as initial discount offer, promotional offer. I am providing it for very low price, okay, for few people. I cannot do it manually for everyone, right? So if you are like watching this video, just to share this video or this webinar link, webinar registration link, I mean. So just to share it on any social media and then contact me by sending the screenshot, okay, and you can avail this offer, okay. Though I decided to do it for August 14, today also I can do it. I can just extend it, okay, because it's not reaching many people, and just you can get it for just 100 rupees. It's a huge discount offer. If you want to know about my way of teaching other things, you can just freely go through these videos, and you can check this ebook, okay. And if you are interested in getting paid one-on-one coaching, you can check it here. My hourly charges right now is just 800 rupees in India, $12 globally per hour, okay. And just for one or two people, I am planning to give this offer, like 50% discount again. Here half of usual hourly charges, you can get paid one-on-one coaching. But as I said, everything is just to start, right? Because in the past 6 months I put a lot of efforts, and I worked hard to come up with this recorded course. Right now I am in the process of selling it, so for that I'm exploring various ways, like webinars, one-on-one coaching, like that. You can make, suppose if you are watching this video, you can make use of that opportunity. Once after setting up everything in a proper way, I will be fully focusing on doing digital marketing, like running paid campaigns to promote my recorded course, and that should be my highest priority. Okay, here you understand the flow, right? I learned AI, then I put around 6 months of effort to create my recorded AI course, self-backed AI course. Now I am in the process of evaluating it, and just to get the feedback from the users. So as part of that, I provided a lot of free, like if you check my Udemy Rajamanikam. There I put my course there also. Udemy, Skillshare, that kind of platforms I provided, and I'm offering a lot of free coupons there. A lot of people used my free offer, and they are sharing good feedback. Okay, like 4.5 ratings, and their feed reviews also somewhat good. Okay, so right now I'm just satisfied with my course, and so I am putting a hold for updating it further. But anyway, if it's a very mandatory thing, I'll be updating. But and I won't add like more content, because already it has 9 hours of on-demand video, 12 articles, 34 downloadable resources, right? So in that case, I believe it's a right time to stop updating it and to focus on promoting it. Okay, and as part of the first step, I provided free offers, and now I am providing discount offers for my webinar and paid one-on-one coaching, because already I did free webinars also. Like a few days back, I did like more than 4 hours of free webinar to teach the basics of AI basics. But in case of webinar, if you join yourself, then only you can ask questions, and it will be more useful, right? That is the purpose of webinar. So that option, you are right now, you are getting that option using this by joining this GenAI live webinar. You can learn RAG, MCP, LangGraph, and AI agents in an effective way. Very like that will be effective instead of going through a lot of articles and watching videos. Discussing with a person like me, you can get like a quick understanding of Gen AI related things. Okay, that will be useful for your career growth, as well as if you want to implement AI systems for your business growth. Okay, apart from that, if you want me to do more analysis about your particular business, I can do this based on hourly charges. Okay, in case of hourly charges, I work based on pre-booking. Okay, that means you need to pay money upfront, but you can do it for even 1 hour. Okay, just to book 1 hour time, I will be working for 1 hour. Just book to then you can add additional hours. Okay, that's based on yourself, but you have to do the pre-booking, but you can do even for 1 hour. And one session should be, I'm talking about this paid one-on coaching. Okay, one session should be of minimum 1 hour. Okay, that means you cannot split 1 hour booking into multiple sessions. Okay, and whenever you are using any kind of discount, you cannot book more than 5 hours. Okay, this discount, 50% discount is applicable for just first 5 hours only. Okay, and so if you are interested, you can make use of these the opportunities. As I said, in the coming days, I may not be spending more time here because right now I have time. If a lot of people are doing these kinds of one-on booking, other things, and even if people are showing interest, if I found a way to effectively run the paid advertisements, my focus will be optimizing the campaigns. Okay, right now I started the campaigns, but I am exploring various ways. I try to promote my directly this GenAI webinar, this page, but I understand the people who are coming new to this thing, they may not be that may not, the trust factor won't be there, right? Branding won't be there because I may be unknown person to them. So I decided to create brand awareness, right? Basically brand awareness. So for that, I have decided to promote my this page. uh, I, I listed all my videos, my books, a lot of things freely. Anyone can get it. They can watch my videos, my live sessions, everything I provided, important things useful. Apart from that, I provided a link to other AI learning resources, and a lot of information is here. So right now I started promoting this one, and as part of that promotion, suppose if you share this page on any social media and if you contact me with the screenshot, you'll be getting free access to my recorded AI course. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is right now I started exploring promotions, okay, digital marketing of my AI course. If everything is going smoothly, I will not be able to spend time for my webinars, or webinars I can do, that is okay. But one-on-one coaching, I may not be having enough time. So you can make use of that opportunity when it is available. Right now, I can spend many hours for one-on-one coaching, so you can avail this discount offer. But once after my times are booked significantly, I'll be stopping this discount offer for paid one-on-one coaching. But recorded course, that I will be always providing that offer, just 300 rupees, right? Recorded course, you can get it recorded course here. Actually, I thought of putting the price as 1,600 rupees, but right now as a discount, I'm just selling it for 300 rupees. But again, if the campaigns require to increase the price, I may consider it. But I plan to do the campaigns through other pages, and link this course page to that particular page. One example is this playlist, right? Another is that GenAI webinar registration. So that is what my right now my plan. Okay, but for some reason, if I need to increase the price, I may increase. Okay, so just what I'm trying to say is, if you are interested in learning the things, and um, uh, instead of waiting for more time, just you can act now. That is what I wanted to say. Okay, because right now all the prices are very low. As I said, I completed the pace of video creations, books creations, and subtitle creation, everything. So the almost all part of the course creation, hard work part, it's almost done. I put more than 6 months of effort for coming up with all these things. Now I am in the process of promoting it. I am exploring various things. I explored affiliate. I thought of sharing 50% affiliate commission to the people who are interested to promote. But though I spend a lot of time, and people are just, were saying that they are interested, but they are not actually promoting it actively. So it's like waste of time. So I put a hold in the sense I'm not actively doing it, but someone shows interest, and if they are asking me to explain about that, I will explain about that, and then I will be adding them as an affiliate so that they can earn 50% affiliate commission. It's a very, very good opportunity. I don't know why people are not using that. That is what I'm willing to have continuous discussion with a lot of people to understand what is going in their mind. Okay, so that part is right now I am crossing. Once after crossing that part, I may not be spend much time for webinars or one-on-one coaching and all. My full focus will be promoting my self-packed course with the various advertisement, Facebook ads, Google ads, like that. Right now I'm just exploring with the Google ads only. Once after I decide that it is very fit for advertisements, I'll be fully focusing on my time on doing advertisements. Already I decided that it is fit, right? Because 4.5 rating from 18 people, it's okay, because all are unknown people only. So right now I got the confidence of promoting it. It's really useful. Okay, and even in case of Udemy, that all the discount, with all that discount, it will be like almost any course will be costing around 400 rupees, right? So I thought of keeping my price lower than that. That is the reason why I set the price as just 300 rupees. Okay, uh, here you can earn affiliate commission also. That if you are interested, I will be explaining you. I don't want to give more attention or focus to affiliate in these live sessions because of lack of interest from people. But if you are digital marketer, if you already have a lot of contacts, or if you are confident of promoting it, you can contact me. Okay, let us discuss about uh, joining as affiliate. It is free only. You can freely join as affiliate. You can easily earn money. Okay, easily in the sense, if you know about what you are doing related to affiliate marketing. Okay, or you should be having already having is say for example, if you are a college professor, if you have contacts of all your students through WhatsApp group or some way, you can easily earn money just by referring. It's a win-win approach. Actually, you are helping your students to get affordable good quality AA course. Okay, so that is a win-win approach. So let us discuss all these things. Just ping me through my Gmail, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com, or through my mobile number. Here I provided number, right? Okay. So let me check whether any question is there. So as of now, no questions, and I will keep on talking about these things. Okay. So the things are three things. One is my like recorded course. This one I am talking it for a long time. I started this promotion few weeks back itself. Okay, but even before that I started, but that time I parallelly I was updating the course. Now in the past few weeks, I feel that that updation is enough. So full-fledged, I started full-fledged promotion. Okay, even I tried PPC campaigns. Okay, so that is one thing. So that thing, if you want only my recorded course, just to come to this page. I will share the link through that chat. Just to come to this page, and you can just buy it. Okay, or if you want to buy from Udemy, the link is there at Udemy. Skillshare link also there. If you want to freely download some of my books, you can do that. I provided that links also. Unlocking AI, RAG, SQL, Agentic AI, Python for AI developers. All ebooks are really useful books. And if you want to get this course as it is, like I provided other options also. Just you can go through all the details. I already talked a lot of things about this thing. And free offer also I provided. Okay, so it is about my self-packed recorded course, which has around 9 hours of recorded tutorial videos with the fully captioned subtitled things, and 9 AI related ebooks, a lot of infographics and code samples below the video. So it's a really useful one if you want to learn AI. So starting from beginning, like what is AI, up to LangGraph, MCP, like agentic AI kind of stuff. So here you can go through the details of videos included in this course and the ebooks included in the course. Okay, it is all about my self-packed course, AI for beginners. Okay, AI course for beginners. If you are interested by it, or if you feel that it will be useful for others, just to tell about this link. I just shared the link through that chat, right? Now the next thing I'm going to tell about is my Gen AI webinar. So that webinar I'm going to do on coming Saturday, tomorrow, August 16th. It will be at 7 p.m. IST, India time 7 p.m. It will be like 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so most of the people from most of the countries can join this webinar. It's a very convenient time. That is why I selected that time period. In that time period, if you yeah, here I provided the options to join this webinar. If you are in India, you can use my Instamojo link, or you can make the payment to my UPI ID. But you have to contact me for getting that link for joining the uh, uh, webinar. Okay, or I have for all these things I have automated thing also, that I will be explaining first. Here the blog, everything is manual. Okay, so you need to contact me even in case of buying my recorded course. Once after making the payment, you need to contact me either through email or my WhatsApp number. I provided both details here. That is one way. And similarly, in case of joining GenAI webinar, you have to register here. Register in the sense, you have to just make the payment and then you have to contact me. Okay. Even in case of my like one-on-one coaching, paid one-on-one coaching, you have to contact me. Okay. So in the case of my blog, everything should be done through manual communication. Okay. I hope I already explained three things, right? One is my like recorded or self-packed AI course. Okay, and another is upcoming Gen AI webinar. Okay, Gen AI webinar, like tomorrow it will be hosted, like August 16, Saturday at 7 p.m. IST, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, and another one is one-on-one coaching. So personally, if you want to learn some topics, and I can teach it personally through Google Meet. So that will be more effective way of learning AI without spending much time. Okay, that is the things I wanted to highlight here. That are the things. One is self-packed course. Another one is Gen AI webinar. Another one is paid one-on-one coaching. In case if you plan to go with Gen AI webinar, then you need not separately make the purchase of self-packed course, because I'll be giving free access to self-packed course as part of my Gen AI webinar thing. Okay, and in case of paid one-on-one coaching also, if you even if you make 1 hour, just book 1 hour, you'll be getting access to my recorded course. Okay, so in the case of getting service about one-on-one coaching or Gen AI webinar, you need not to make purchase of separately buying that kind of self-packed course, recorded AI course, that because I will be providing access to that as part of the service also. Okay. Anyway, if you want to check my way of teaching everything just by buying self-packed course, and then if you want to decide about joining the thing, that is okay. Okay. But in case if you are directly joined to Gen AI webinar or paid one-on-one coaching, you can save money for much which you have to spend for buying the self-packed course, right? So that is what I wanted to highlight. Okay, this it is from my blog. Suppose if you don't have my blog link, I would suggest go to Google and search for QPT blog. Okay, QPT blog. It will be showing my blog.qualitypointtech.com. Click that blog, and for registering for GenAI webinar, you can click this link. For getting myself back that recorded AI course, you can click this link or these banners. Okay, and in case of paid one-on-one coaching, you can find here that link. Okay, so it is all about my way of teaching AI in an affordable way. These things can be done from my blog. Okay, okay. Suppose if you want everything in an automated way, so you have to visit my rajamanikam.com website. Okay, here you can buy this self-pack course from here. Okay, once after buying here, you will be automatically provided with a course link. Okay, so it is about getting the course. And similarly for GenAI registration also, you can register here. Okay, here also, once after making the purchase, completing the purchase, I mean making the payment, you will be automatically provided with the Google Meet link and ways for accessing my recorded course. Okay, and in case you want to get paid on coaching, but that one again manual, right? We need to discuss about timing, other things. Okay, so you can just make the book the hours, 1 hour or 2 hour, and then we can discuss about efficient tech. But anyway, you'll be getting some kind of acknowledgement. Okay, there you can start thinking, because for making payment you need to provide email ID, right? But in case of my blog, if you are going to make payment through QR code, it won't require your email ID, right? So that is the reason. Okay, so in that case, you have to manually contact me after making payment. In case if you are making purchase from my blog.qualitypentech.com. But if you make purchase from this rajamanikam.com, you, as part of payment making process, you'll be giving your email ID, so you'll be getting the links to your email ID. Okay, you got it right. But because of the fees, gumroad fees involved with my rajamanikam.com site, the prices may be slightly higher than my blog price. Okay, so I would suggest making any purchase from my blog. Okay, so that is the thing. But anyway, even if you make the purchase from blog, what I will do is I will be giving 100% discount to access my course available at rajamanikam.com, and the course is available at rajamanikam.com. Okay, so any other questions you can ask me by reverb rhythms. Okay, thanks for joining. uh, Good going. Okay, thanks for your comments. Okay, and if you have any specific questions you can ask me. And for encouraging the people to attend, like add comments here, I can give discounts for people making comments also. Suppose if you are making comments here, and if you want to join the webinar or get the course, everything, I can give the discount. Like making comment, I will be considering it as sharing it on any social media. Okay, so in that case, that offer is applicable for you. So whoever make the comment, maybe if you are interested, you can just contact me to use that offer. So in that case, you can get like 50% discount for joining this GenAI webinar. Okay, and even for paid one-on-one coaching also, you can get 50% discount. Okay, so if you have any specific questions, you can ask me. And recently, I started broadcasting that my live AI coaching. Actually, I started my live AI coaching recently, but only few people joined. So I don't want to like start other batches. So I will be ending that batch. But that batch, that teaching, I'm just live broadcasting through my channel. You can check my live channel to find those things. I will be just sharing that link. And I think some of the videos, especially that live coaching, that video, uh, that audio level is a bit very low. I mean, very low. So you need to increase the volume for listening to that audio. And if you notice any other issues, just make comments there. I'll be just trying to address them in upcoming um, coaching sessions. Okay. So this coaching is like already, as I told, that webinar, everything that will be live broadcasted. But paid one-on-one coaching, that is only private. Okay, so it is because of mostly people will be coming for paid one-on-one coaching to learn based on their projects, their work, right? So that I won't be like live broadcasting. But other things, webinars and group cohort kind of batches, they that things I will be live broadcasting, so that they can listen to that recordings later. Okay, and others also can get benefits. Okay, so I shared the link through the chat for my live. Okay, and if something is not understandable, just let me know. Like most of the videos that I broadcast using OBS Studio, that audio, that things are facing audio issues. That is what my observation. If anyone has any solution for that, just let me know. And these kinds of things, like right now I am broadcasting through YouTube's web interface. This one it's okay, audio is okay, and the video also okay, but sometimes video is they're getting disconnected. That is okay. Video means only camera video, that is screen sharing, it's always showing. And that is the reason why I prefer to do this kind of live when I'm doing alone. But if I am doing with other people, I need to use OBS Studio. Okay. Okay, any other questions you can ask me. And in case of this webinar, I'll be talking about GenAI webinar. I will be talking about RAG, MCP, LangGraph, AI agents. They are in high demand. Even today, I noticed that LangGraph has released one useful free course. Suppose anyone if interested, deep research with LangGraph. Okay, so I'll be sharing that. If anyone is interested, you can watch that. I just started watching it, but I haven't fully followed that things. Okay, so if anyone's interested, I just shared the link. Okay, so you can just log into LangChain and you can take that class. And other than that, they have class for teaching LangGraph. A lot of things are there. Okay, and this is our their latest thing. And I added lot of AI learning resources. Actually, I did our live also, AI learning resources. That also you can check. Okay, and here in the blog, I keep on updating lot of information about AI learning resource. Also, you can search AI learning resources. Okay. And one person asked about the roadmap for MBA students. So with the help of ChatGPT, I created this. Okay. Suppose if you are interested, you can check that. Similarly, whenever any person is asking any question, I will be doing some analysis using ChatGPT other tools, and I will be putting here. Okay. Or if I am getting any questions from my own perspective, that also I will be adding. AI learning resources. Here, AI learning, how to train AI models, released ebook, webcam sheet, ask questions, discounts. AI learning resources. I will search it then. Here, AI coaching free. So I did lot of live. Okay. Some of them are just promoting my AI course and live webinar, but lot of courses things are very useful also. Apart from my own talk, I created a lot of podcasts with the help of Notebook LM based on some research papers. That also you can check. Okay. Right now, in the coming days, I would like to do a lot of such things. Actually, a few days back, I did more than 4 hours of free webinar. You can check that video also. Okay. So here, AI learning resources. I did one video. Maybe you can watch that video. Okay. resources. And in the video description, you can find the link for that AI learning resources. I will share that also. I just shared that video link and the description of the video. Anyone can find that blog post link. Okay. So here it will be like this. Okay, you can download freely download many ebooks and AI quiz and AI teaching chatbot link and free AI courses. And if you click that free AI courses, you can find a list of free AI courses where you can learn AI freely from reputed organizations. Okay, and the playlist to learn AI and playlist to watch AI innovations at a recorded AI course. This is my course promotion and. Like a free webinar and a lot of things. Okay, I keep on updating it with more content and a lot of subreddits that are useful for knowing about AI. Okay, and if you have any idea, just or if you know any good resources, mention that through the comment section. And if it is useful, I will be including it in this main section also, or people will be checking the comment section also, right? If they are feeling useful, they will visit that also. Okay, just specify your favorite learning resource. Okay, but it is very important to learn AI. That I already talked about through various sessions. According to World Economic Forum report and Times of India report, every report is saying that there is a huge demand for learning AI. There is a gap between AI requirements or AI demand and the AI knowledge. Okay, AI talent, very little AI talents like people with AI knowledge are very limited, but job opportunity is high because AI is replacing all the jobs, right? So there will be a heavy job loss from other industries. But even within the IT, web development, that everything will be people will be losing their job, right? But like some jobs will be like closed, and some jobs, new jobs will be coming up, like AI related job. So it is very important to learn AI. So with that, if you go through online, if you search for AI courses, especially live courses, that fees will be like more than $2,000 something. People are tending to feel that if the price is high, the quality will be better. But it's not like that. Okay, if you try that, if you check with people who attended the course, even people who are attending my courses right now, they are saying that they already attended some other costly courses. Okay, so just to think about in that way, and if you are in a dilemma, just take the decision to learn AI quickly, but don't no need to spend a lot of money. That is what my suggestion, because AI is keeping on changing very quickly. Whatever you are learning today, that may not be valid later, but you have to get some familiarity or closeness with AI. But mostly you can study from a lot of free resources. That's where I listed all the free resources. But just to get a structured way of how to learn what is AI, how it is different from traditional programming, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, how to train a model, what is AI model, first of all, what are all different algorithms, what is neural network, okay. That kind of stuff, if you want to know, or like agentic AI, RAG, why we need RAG, what are the libraries like LangChain, LangGraph, why everyone is talking about that things. If you want to know that kind of very fundamental things, but that is important, right? That things we need to know, then only we can proceed with the further developments. So to understand the fundamental things, my AA course, my webinars, my teachings will be useful. That is what I wanted to highlight, because that is very affordable, right? If you want to get the self-pack course, it is just 300 rupees only right now. Okay, that is just $8 globally. And if you want to join webinar today, you can join it for just 100 rupees. Okay, so a lot of offers I am providing, and almost the initial price also very low. And only hesitation is people will be thinking that low priced courses may not be that much worth spending their time, right? So to check that, I am offering all my most of my free ebooks, like a lot of books you can download, and a lot of tutorial videos, RAG, MCP, LangGraph, AI agents, everything you can watch. Just click that and watch it. and if you like it, share it with others. Okay. And I provide a lot of blog posts about AI. You can go through them. And what else? And if you need any details, you can just ping me. I'll be clarifying that things. Okay. So the first thing is, since I'm doing hosting my upcoming webinar tomorrow, Saturday, it's a good opportunity. You can register for that by paying just today. If you are doing it, just to pay 100 rupees and you can join that. And then as part of that thing, you'll be getting access to my recorded course. Go through that. If apart from these things, if you still have some questions, or if you want my help for completing your projects, or if you want to implement AI for your business growth, or whatever reason, if you want paid one-on-one coaching, you can make use of that opportunity also. Okay. So here I provided the details about paid course, like a recent blog post. Here you can check it. In this month, recently I put that blog post. Okay. Paid one-on-one coaching for learning AI, you can check that. And that will be a good opportunity to learn personally. Okay. One-on through one-on-one coaching, maybe any specific topic. If you are interested in RAG, mostly I would like to give more priority for RAG. Okay. Other things you can learn from a lot of other people also, right? Like for RAG and latest things, MCP, LangGraph, that kind of stuff, I'm spending a lot of time to analyze about them. And in that case, it will be better for you. But anyway, if you want me to explain about prompt engineering, fundamental way of using AI, or teaching basics of AI, so that for that also you can contact me. Okay. And first make sure that my way of teaching is suitable for you. For that, you can go through my videos. I provide a lot of recorded videos, a lot of live videos. Just check, come to my channel, YouTube channel, and go through that videos and my other videos. And if you feel that my way of teaching will be useful for you, you can contact me. Apart from AI learning, in case of paid one-on-one coaching, it's not only for AI. If you want to learn about the very basics of web development, SQL, lot of things, because I have around 25 years of experience in IT, especially software testing, test automation. For that also you can conduct, but test automation, I worked long back, QTP automation, that kind of tool. But anyway, the fundamental concept is same. If you are planning to book my hours for long, many number of hours, even I can spend time to learn about any specific things you are recurring. Okay. But by default, AI coaching will be more suitable. But for other things also, you can book my time. And not only for coaching, for AI consultancy and AI development works also, you can book my time. Okay. But I work based on pre-booking. That I am very important. I am giving more importance to that, because many people contact me like they will be paying after completing the project or something. That I never do that. Long back I did that. Created a lot of negative things, including for the customers, because they will be thinking that they are spending less money only, but they may not be knowing about how many hours I am working. At the end of the project, if I'm telling the hours means, they will be surprised, right? So to avoid all these things, it is important to work in a collaborative or cooperative way. So for that, the first thing is making payment upfront. It's not for many hours. Even for 1 hour, you can pay upfront. Say, for example, if you are making 1 hour payment, I will be working for 1 hour. If you are making 2 hours, I will be working 2 hours. But it is better if you plan to do a project very short time. Better you can book certain number of hours, so that I can give more attention to that project by avoiding any other taking any other projects, right? So that's the thing. And if you want me to develop any kind of PHP MySQL based web applications, that also I can do very effectively, because I have been doing it for many years long back. And recently, since I am familiar with the AI, I can make it very quickly with the help of AI, as well as I can include AI features also to improve the effectiveness of your applications. Okay, that we can discuss. Okay, that is very need of the hour. If your business is not adopting AI quickly, some competitors who are adopting AI will be taking your customers. That is very fundamental fact right now. So in that case also, we need to think about including AI in every part of our business. That is the reason why I am switching my business. Previously I was focusing more on web development things using PageMySQL. That things can be now easily done with the help of AI, right? So I just moving from that kind of business model into like AI development. But before start doing development kind of stuff, I need to first be very familiar with AI. So that is the reason why I started with the AI course. 6 months I have been spending a lot of time to come up with this recorded AI course, and I created that, and I keep on doing a lot of webinars, especially RAG related thing. And even if some people are watching, maybe I can talk about RAG now itself. Only three people are there. And but anyway, if anyone is having any specific questions, I can discuss about here in this live also. Actually, I started this live for the purpose of telling about my discount offer. But anyway, if you have any questions related to AI or any kind of business or running YouTube, everything, any kind of questions you can ask emerging technologies. Actually, previously I thought of doing that kind of things, and even I have plans to invite others to talk about that important topics. Actually, I did some episodes like QPT talks. Anyway, if anyone is who are watching this live, if you are interested in joining with discussion with me, you can join. Okay, so maybe we can discuss about any specific topic or discuss something. And if you are expert in particular topic, you can teach others through my channel if you are interested. Okay, though my channel is not getting good traffic initially, it will be getting search traffic. So whatever you are sharing the knowledge, that will be reaching the people at appropriate time. Okay, but initially for some reason YouTube is not recommending my channel. That is why right now only 4 people are watching this video. Okay. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can ask me, or the time being, I will be just talking about AI. In case of AI, from my personal perspective, it is important to learn the basics like prompt engineering, and first of all, how AI is working. That is what I highlight in all my previous recordings. Okay, as well as in that. Live sessions also. Okay, in the ebooks also I highlight that one. Okay, so for it is for everyone, for any common person who are working in any kind of business or any career or anything. It's like kind of literacy, something similar to language literacy. It is important to know about AI, like computer literacy. Now AI literacy is important. That is one perspective, that is for common people, that they should know what is AI, what are hallucinations, whether we can rely on the AI's answer, whether AI is working in a proper way, or whether like better know about the biases and the ethical things. Okay, that kind of knowledge is required for all the people. Okay, it's a kind of AI literacy. That is one thing. Another kind of people, like business people and AI developers, they should be knowing about how to use AI effectively for their business. And if the businesses have to use AI, then obviously that job seekers also should be knowing about AI, because the business people are looking for improving their business with the help of AI. Means they will be looking for people with AI talent, right? So in that perspective also, it is very important to learn AI. Okay, so whether you are a business person, or you are a student, or you are searching for a job seeker, it is important to learn AI. But that perspective is somewhat different. In that case, you got to learn about in a deeper way, how AI is working, what is machine learning, what is deep learning. That kind of fundamental AI knowledge is required. Okay, but then you have to specialize on your thing. Say, for example, if you are going to create some chatbot, something, you should be knowing about effectively how to use LLMs or your own model. Okay, but if anyone who wants to be familiar with AI, as I said, there are two groups. One group, like what is AI? That is very simple thing, how it's working, what are different kinds of AI tools, which tools are reliable, which tools are free, really free, or any kind of trap is there. That kind of thing for creating images, for creating animations, for creating videos, graphics, images, for article writing. That kind of people, that common group, it's different. But development or business people, they should be knowing the fundamental, like how AI is working, where to find different kinds of model. Like if you go through Hugging Face, you can find around 2 million models, right? So that kind of models, what are that models, how to use that kind of models, so that you should be knowing, right? So just knowing about LLMs are not enough, okay? Because LLMs, for every token we have to make payment, right? So in that case, it is important to know about individual models also. And especially I hear lot of models are there. 1.9 million models are there. They are categorized into text generation, image to text, text to video, text to speech, like 42, more than 42 types. And computer vision, depth estimation, image classification, object detection, okay? So in that case, you should be knowing about your use cases, and you should be find the appropriate model, and how to use that. Even if you are not developer, for telling the details in a proper way to the developers, or understanding what the developer is explaining. So as a business person or entrepreneur, you should be knowing all these things, right? So this is next set of people, those who should be knowing about the inner workings of AI, and familiarity with the AI platforms, like these kinds of like aggregators, like huggingface.co and Kaggle, and at least they should be knowing about TensorFlow and scikit-learn, that kind of basic information, right? So that is what I am like trying to teach through my recorded course as well as webinars, okay? And another important thing from developer perspective or business person's perspective, they should be knowing about RAG. In yesterday's that live coaching also, I talked more about RAG, because it's a very very important thing. I used to talk mostly about that in all my live sessions. Okay, so if you anyone is having any questions, okay. One person, Goop Chap Pani Puri, is asking question like, does LLMs have brain of their own, or do they just communicate well? Okay, so I already explained it in many times. The fundamental thing is LLMs are not only LLMs, so any kind of, as of now, or any kind of AI things are not having any brain. Okay, they are not cognitive. Though we are calling it as artificial intelligence, fundamentally they don't have any intelligence. It's artificial intelligence. It's not about human intelligence. Their way of working is the fundamentally they work like the basic is finding next token. That is the thing. Suppose if you are telling giving this question to LLM, it will be just like after the question mark, what should come, like that only. Okay, suppose if you are in a test, or if you ask any student like 1 2 3, like that means, next means we will be typing 4, right? Or if we type like 2 4 6 means we'll be typing 8, like that, right? Or if it is like 2 4 9 16 means we can find the next thing as 25, right? So the same thing here, that LLMs will be working in this finding the next token. Tokens are like certain number of characters, like mostly it will be like do, it will splitting in different words, that we can test it from OpenAI's token splitter. So here, if you give the sentence, it will be tokenizing. So this is the token, okay. So many is one token, words, one token, map, one token, 53 tokens are there, okay. So it will be like split into these tokens. So fundamentally, LLMs or any kind of NLP kind of models, so they will be just finding, they will be working on to find the next token. Okay, that is the thing. If we are asking something, it will be like starting with the next token, then again we, by including everything, it will be finding the next token. Okay, but because of that latest transformer transformer architecture is part of all the modern LLMs, right? GPT and Gemini, all the models are right now using transformer, that attention mechanism, self attention, that things you might have heard about, right? So that case, they are able to predict the next token by considering all the other tokens simultaneously or parallelly, right? So that gives a lot of context information quickly, and so it is working in a better way. But fundamentally, it is finding next token, predicting next token. That is the concept of any kind of LLMs. So they are fundamentally not having any brains. They are not cognitive. That is the reason why they are not able to give even for simple questions. Say, for example, yesterday I explained about how many D's are that thing, right? But right now I don't know how it's showing. So I'm asking how many D's are there in August, right? In August, AUGUST. So actually it should say zero, but here it's saying that there are two D's in the word August, right? It is Gemini's answer. Gemini integrated with the AI overview of Google, right? So basically, it is a very simple thing, but for this simple thing itself, it's not able to give the correct answer. Sometimes it will say one, sometimes it will say two, sometimes zero. Like it's randomly giving answer. Okay, so in that case, they are not cognitive. So first, we need to understand. That is the reason why we need to learn AI from overall perspective, how AI is working, other things. But you can make it to work reliably if you know good prompt engineering. So if you have heard about chain of thought, COT, in stuff, we have to ask it step by step, count it step by step. So in that case, it will be, it's not taking that. But if you ask it through Gemini, maybe it will be taking. If we are asking it to do step by step, then the accuracy will be somewhat better. Okay, so that is the fundamental of prompt engineering. We need to know about different prompt engineering tricks. So now it's saying that there are no D's in the August. So but now we are asking it again, right? So first time means it can. Okay. And moreover, we need to know about, as a beginner, it is important to know about AI tools effectively. One is, as I said, to avoid the hallucinations, we need to know prompt engineering tricks. So I explained those things in my different, how we get cognitive abilities for our LLMs. So actually, there is no state way, because fundamentally they are not cognitive. But agentic AI, other things, by providing lot of context and other things, we can somehow manage to improve the things. Okay, but anyway, all the AI things are right now narrow AI. They are not general AGI. Okay, AGI is in research. A lot of companies are working on it, and once they are successful, maybe we will be getting that kind of AGI, kind of strong AI. Okay, right now it's a weak AI, it's a narrow AI, all the things, including the latest things. And some people theoretically they are saying that AI can work beyond the human's brain, right? Super AI, ASI is also there. But AGI, a lot of companies are researching AGI. Okay, so if AGI is coming, means we can use the single system for various purposes, like our human brain. But right now we need to have different systems. Say, for example, for computer vision, we have to develop different system. For NLP, we have to different system like that. For each and every task, we have to create a different system. But because of agentic AI and that kind of concept, with the help of lot of libraries like LangChain, LangGraph, and a lot of new way of creating agents in an effective way, and especially with the help of MCP, that kind of protocols are helping to get a lot of context information from various external data sources and APIs, right? So all those things are helping to achieve some kind of cognitive like thing. It's not fundamentally it's not cognitive. They're helping to achieve some kind of things. Okay, so that is where we need to understand about AI. So AI is fundamentally right now weak AI with a lot of shortcomings, especially in case of LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, that kind of stuff. They are like they have a lot of shortcomings. One is obvious. One is hallucination. They used to give wrong answers sometimes, but that wrong answers will be looking like correct answer. That is the problem. If it is saying that I don't know or some kind of errors, means it's okay, right? But that will be generating the answers. Suppose if you are asking a capital of one country which is non-existent in the world, still it will be generating by based on the patterns of the all other countries and their capital names. It will be just trying to okay, generate. Okay, that is because that is a fundamental of generative models, right? Generative AI, that is generative AI. So based on the existing data, it will be trying to create new data. That is why we are able to use LLMs for creating stories, articles, and poems, that kind of even new images. So that is the right currently trending thing, right? Generative things. Okay, so it will be able to generate. So it is positive in many perspectives. Sometimes it is negative. In the generative nature is negative if it is trying to generate at situation where it shouldn't be doing, right? So that is the problem. That is what hallucination. So the hallucinations will be occurring frequently if that whatever question we are asking to that LLM, that information is not available with training data. Okay, that is the major problem. And another problem is like uh, lack of private information. We cannot ask any questions about our own myself or ourselves and our companies, or if you are trying to create a chatbot, customer support chatbot for your e-commerce application, you cannot like expect the LLM to give answers about your product details and prices. Okay, that is lack of private information. And uh, like lack of latest information, because each and every LLM, they are provided with certain knowledge cut of date. If you ask it, it will say, right, what is the knowledge cut of date, or what is, like, you can ask ChatGPT knowledge cut of date of what is your knowledge cut of date. So all the models are having certain knowledge cut of date. Okay, so it is June 2024. That means ChatGPT, that model GPT-4 or GPT-5, whatever model currently it's using, it won't be having details that happened after June 2024. Last 1 year data, it won't be having. So if you ask something, it will be like giving wrong answer, or sometimes it may say that it is not having that information. Okay, but if you are searching here, it is able to tell about latest news. Means that is completely different mechanism. Tool calling, it's calling search tool. Okay, that is different thing. But inherently, that GPT models, they have certain knowledge cut off date. So there are three major problems with LLMs. One is hallucination, another one is lack of private information, another one is lack of latest information. Okay, so all these three things are very important, especially for commercial usage. And moreover, it is very, very important in case of critical applications in fields like fintech and medical, that kind of things. It is very important. So normally with the hallucination issue, it is very difficult to use these kinds of LLM based applications in any commercial usage, right? So that is where RAG is coming. Okay, so I will be talking about in detail in my webinar. Yesterday also I talked about it, how what is RAG, how it can be helpful to start out or solve this or handle these issues. Okay, that things maybe we can discuss in detail in that webinar. Okay. Okay, what is the role of object-oriented programming architecture in LLM-based AIs? Right now, I only see procedural programming methods preferred. Okay, you are asking about using LLM means it's up to you. You can use in any way. Okay, just we have to use that thing. But normally it's very simple, right? So that is why they are using in this way. But just we are going to use that API, right? So it's up to yourself. You in your AI application logic, everything. If you want, you can make it in an object-oriented way. That is a good way, right? So I don't know. You are referring about actual LLM development. Actual LLM development, it's completely different. I don't have much idea about that. But using LLM, that is your preference. You can use anything. Just the only thing is you have to use their API access. So every LLM will be providing in a different way. Normally, LangChain, that and all, they are providing in object-oriented way only. Okay. Any other questions? So no other questions. Then let me just remind about my products. One is this limited time offer for my AI course, self-packed recorded AI course, which is having 8 hours of recorded videos, 9 AI books. You can get it for just 300 rupees or $8. Okay. Here, like I mentioned about myself first, and here I listed the uh, videos available within this course. What is AI? Simple guide for beginners. Understand AI basics with easy examples. Best practices, famous and useful AI tools. Notebook LM. Notebook LM, it is the best example of a RAG. Okay, so it is somewhat handling hallucinations, and it is grounding the LLM response by including our own sources. Okay, that's a good thing. If you are not familiar, just go to notebooklm.google.com and start exploring it. It's for studying anything, for doing any research, for everything, it is very useful, and we can use it for creating podcasts automatically using virtual voice. Okay, and a study guide, FAQ kind of stuff for everything. Just for any learner or any researcher, that is very useful. But that is fundamentally RAG. So that is what I'm just saying. So even for very common person to use the AI facilities or AI features, they should be fundamentally knowing about RAG, other things, so that they can use it. Not only for developers. Developers, that is the different thing. But that is the purpose of my course, this recorded course or my webinar, everything, just to create some kind of basic awareness. And moreover, no one will be telling about that. So I particularly talk about that things in all my live sessions and all my teachings also. We need to be very careful about AI hype. Okay, so over hype is there, so that also we need to different. We should be able to, we need to be having, or we need to understand the difference between the actual growth of AI and the overhyped AI. Okay, because of a lot of tool creators, AI tool creators, and product creators, they're just creating a lot of hype with the help of AI influencers. Okay, so we need to be very careful, and that is why I always recommend studying the basics and just watching the latest happenings. Okay, don't spend a lot of money in joining any kind of courses that are specific to any specific technology. Okay, just to go through just to a lot of basic things including mathematics, statistics, and algebra, calculus, that kind of stuff. Just probability is very important to know. Okay, a lot of things, basic things, right? Even if you are new to IT, you should be knowing about what is algorithm, that kind of stuff, right? So how, like a basic Python coding. For that, even if you are not much familiar with the coding and setting up IDE, other things, you can just start with the Google Colab. That is an easy way and effective way for beginners. Okay, Even for advanced users also, if your local computer is not supporting a lot of powerful executions, in that case you can use Google Colab for using the CPU RAM of Google, right? So here I try to explain everything: prompt engineering and hallucination and digital marketing, how to use AI for digital marketing, and how to use AI for creating MCQ quiz. Actually, I created that kind of stuff. Actually, for that blog also, I put a lot of things. Even in this quiz also, mostly I created with the help of AI. Very quickly, I created this. If you want to test your AI knowledge, you can test it also. That I will share here. Thank you. I do think that drag will be critical for medical field. Okay. Okay. You're asking Kindle book link, right? So Kindle book link, I don't think it will be that much useful. Better you can buy my AA course. I will be sending my AA course purchasing link. Kindle book, if you are in India, you can search Amazon.in. Okay. You can search for Amazon.in and search for my name, Rajamanikam. I don't know which book you are referring. Okay, here you can check all my books. I will share that link. And if you, my recommendation is just purchase my this course. Here you can get a lot of things, videos. Below the video, you can find the code that are all useful. And if you want to freely download some books, you can freely download books that will be provided by Gumroad. Okay. So in that case, you can check that link also. I'm sending that link also. Okay. So if you need any other details, contact me. Okay. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is here in the AI quiz I created with the help of uh, AI tools. Okay, and this chatbot also I created. I explained about how to create this kind of chatbots. It will be useful for learning something, especially AI. I optimized it fully for AI. If you want to learn AI, you can chat with this chatbot. Okay, you can ask what is RAG like that. What is RAG? Sorry. So what is RAG? For that, it is giving answer, and apart from that, it is giving link to my RAG ebook also, right? So this is useful. So, for example, if you are providing some blog about wellness or something, you can ask your customers to discuss about wellness, health, and fitness, that kind of stuff. And in between, you can include your product links also relevant to based on the discussion, right? So in that case, it will be it will be providing user convenience while it will allow you to promote your products, right? So that is one way of using AI for your business growth, right? Suppose if you want that kind of implementation for your business, you can contact me, and or just a consultancy also, you can contact me. You can even book my 1 hour of time. So if you book that time, this time period, you can get 50% discount as I specified here, half of my usual charges right now. Just I starting these kind of initiatives. If many people are booking my time, and if I don't have any free time, then I'll be stopping taking any other further registrations. Okay. Okay. But as I said, I'm in this space of starting these kinds of businesses. Last 6 months, I have been spending a lot of time in coming up with my ebooks and learning AI, and creating that recorded courses, like 9 hours of courses with fully captioned, automatic, manually captioned. Like some captions I automatically created with the help of Whisper model. That also I explain how to do that. how to automatically do that from our local without requiring any kind of token usage. It is fully free and it will be very fast, and it will be effective also. Like in case of Whisper model, if you use it from your local, it is provided by OpenAI only. Okay. There you suppose frequently some of my words that hasn't may not be understandable by that kind of transcription tools, right? So in that case, if I use Whisper, I can give the list of that kind of words which are difficult to understand. So in that case, it will be automatically highlighting that words, giving importance to that words, and that words related to that things will be replaced with that highlighted words. So in that case, the quality of the subtitle, that transcriptions will be better. So here we can give in this way. Okay. So a lot of things are there. I explained that in this video. If anyone is interested, just to search for this Whisper in my blog. You just to come to my blog called blog.qualitypointtech.com, and you can search a lot of things. I keep on adding. Suppose if anyone is having any specific questions, you can ask me. I will be adding blog post about that question also. Okay, that's how I came up with a lot of content here. So initially I started creating basics like what is AI, that kind of stuff. But right now I just fully added that kind of information. It's saturated somewhat. Now I am adding interesting questions I'm getting from other people, and even myself I used to get some kind of questions when I go through some articles. So based on that, I have been doing that the past few weeks. Okay. Okay, the overall thing is spent significant time for creating my AA course, recorded course. Now I am in the process of understanding the people's mindset about the course. So for that, I am doing webinars and live coaching and one-on-one coaching, that kind of things. But once after getting full confidence about my course, and if it is fully optimized for the learning purpose, then I would be spending more time towards promoting it through running paid ads. I will be fully concentrating on digital marketing. If you're a digital marketer, if you're good at digital marketing, maybe at that time you can contact me for collaboration. Okay, and that time we can discuss in detail. Okay. Right now, I'm running my own PPC campaigns through Google Ads, and I explored Facebook Ads also. Let us see how the things are going on. In the meantime, I'll be doing webinars about RAG, that kind of GenAI webinar, and even I have plans based on the user demand. I will be doing very basic explanations like prompt engineering, AI tools, and understanding the basics of AI. That kind of webinar also I can do. And apart from these webinars, paid webinars, I have done lot of free webinars, and I keep on talking through this channel. Just check the live section of the channel. Yesterday I talked about various prompt tricks, different tricks like self-refined, that kind of stuff. You can go through that. Only thing is you need to increase the volume because of some technical issues. The volume is low for some videos. Okay, that live videos. But all my recorded videos I carefully recorded that recorded course. Though that same things I talked through live, I won't take that live course. I just separately recorded all that tutorials, and it's fully optimized so that it won't waste your time. Okay. So that is how I designed all that recorded courses. So just to check that videos, and basically tell about that things. Okay, here I am offering a course, complete course, which in other places you need to spend a lot of money, right? So I'm offering it very low price. If you feel that it is useful for others, just to share this link with others, and tell about this offer, especially my GenAI webinar I'm hosting tomorrow, Saturday, August 16th. That will be really useful. Okay, I plan for explaining about RAG and uh, agentic AI, MCP, a lot of things am planning to teach in this 3 hours. Okay, so that case I need to do it in a effective way, right? So that 3 hours, if I'm teaching it for long hours, then that will be different. So I would like to teach in an effective way so that that 3 hours are very useful. And just make sure that you are registering for that. It is today, if you register, it is just 100 rupees in India, $5 globally. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can contact me. I provided my WhatsApp link in all places. Okay. And, any other questions, you can check me. Okay. Thanks everyone. Okay. Thanks. Bye.